Hello guys, in this tutorial we will discover Sketchup and its basics to help you get started. So let's start with the most common questions. What is Sketchup? How can I use it? And how to use it? Sketchup is architecture-oriented 3D modeling, animation and mapping software. This software is characterized by simple tools. You can use it to sketch models to assist with all kind of projects, furniture building, video game creation, 3D printing, interior design. Navigate to Sketchup website in your browser. In order to use Sketchup, you will have to answer a few questions and create an account on the website. So, click Get Sketchup. Choose Personal Project. Click Create a Trimble ID. Enter your account information. Click Create an account. Check your mailbox, you will receive a confirmation mail. Click Activate. Now, log in into your Trimble account. Click on Get Sketchup for free. Click Start Modeling. Complete the setup. Click OK when prompted about cookies use. Then check the I agree to the terms of the service box and click OK. Now, let's discover some Sketchup basics. On the left side of the page, you will see a vertical columns of icons. These icons, from the top to the bottom, betray to the following tools. Select, allow you to select an item. Erase, allow you to remove a selected item. Paint Pocket, allow you to fill an item surface with a color of your choosing. Draw Lines, allow you to click and drag and draw straight line. Draw Arcs, allow you to click and drag and draw arcs. Draw Shapes, allow you to click and drag and draw specific shape, such as triangles. Modify Object, allow you to change the models of the surface. For example, extend the surface by clicking and dragging. Outer Shell, allow you to create new shapes by combining or cutting one shape with another, making it easy to model an outer shell or joinery. Move Objects, allow you to move an item. Measure Tools, allow you to measure an item using your preferred dimensions. Walk, allow you to view your creation from an eye level. Cameras Control, allow you to change the camera settings for different viewing. Nextly, on the right side of the page, you should see another vertical columns of icons. This is the Panels menu. From the top button, let us identify the properties of these icons. Entity Info shows information about the currently selected object. Outliner organizes and manages groups and components. Instructor gives you tips about using Sketchup. Components allows you to search for specific 3D modeling components. Materials let you select the different materials for printing your model. Styles shows the different style of modeling. Layers shows the different layers in your project. Scenes shows different scenes, for example, variations of your models. Display brings up settings for your project. Model info is one of the places to set specific modeling preferences for a file. Check out the status bar. You will find status bar on the lower left side of screen. Undo removes the last action. Redo reapplies the last action. Help opens menu with advice for your currently selected item. Language allow you to change on-screen language. In the lower right corner of the page, you will see a set of dimensions pertaining to your currently selected area. This will help you to ensure that your creations are precise when necessary. If you want to save a copy of your file in SketchUp Cloud Storage, you can do that anytime by doing the following steps. Click on the project name upper left corner of the page. Click the SketchUp folder. Enter name for your project. Click Save here in the lower right corner of the window. Then your project will be saved. Consider importing components. SketchUp has a huge library of different models which you can add to your project. To add an existing model, click the Components tab, which resembles three boxes icon on the right side of the page. Type keyword into the search box. For example, to bring up list of the houses, you would type in house. Select structure, then wait for it to appear in SketchUp. If you want to free draw your structure base, click the pencil icon on the left side of the page. Click the pencil which appears in the pop-out menu and click and drag and draw. Once you have connected all the lines together, you should see the inside of your structure base turn blue. You can also free draw by clicking the squiggly line instead of the pencil icon in the pop-out menu. Select the Modify tool. This tool resembles a box with an upward-facing arrow in it. Clicking it to open up the menu. Click the push and pull icon. Click and drag a surface to extend it. This will allow you to raise the surface. Add details to your structure. Using the pencil tool, draw in and modify structure details as needed. For example, if you wanted to use structure base as a 4-walled box, you may draw slightly smaller box inside of the base and then use the Modify tool to lower the smaller of the box. Paint your structure. You can add color to your structure face by clicking the Paint Pocket icon. Choose the color that you want on the right side of the page and click on the face of the structure. Once you have finished adding the structure that you want to create, you can save up your SketchUp project in your account page. Now, with this simple basics, you are ready to get started with SketchUp. You can check the official SketchUp tutorial and learn more. Thank you for watching. See you later.